So this is easily one of my favorite keyboards when it comes to my setup. So it's called the F75 and it's a mechanical keyboard which has the most satisfying sound. So it has this really nice matte black design, as well as these RGB backlit keys. The lights also have a number of different modes, including reactive lighting for each key press. And you can connect your keyboard to your computer via USB-C, Bluetooth, or the wireless adapter. You also get the key removal tool, as well as additional switches if you need them. You can also raise the keyboard at 2 different levels, so you can get the package height. I'll leave a sound test at the end, but if you want to grab yours, I've typed the link in the basket down below.